number 7 में what we are having that we have to apply either na kiriba narimasen the compulsion form or na kute muidis the non-compulsion form. So raisho shucho shimas shucho we use for business trip. Raisho shucho shina kiriba narimasen ka hi shucho shina kiriba narimasen that you have to go to the go on the business trip. Yes, I have to go for the business trip. Reporto o dashimas to give the report. Reporto o dasana kiriba narimasen ka do I have to submit the report? Ie dasa na kutemo ides. No, it's fine if you don't submit the report. So वही है जो question number 6 में we applied. Same thing we are going to apply in question number 7 as well. So I'm giving you 3 to 4 minutes. Let's take a look for this. Take a look of this and then we'll come to the discussion. Go for it, guys, please. I'm giving you 3 to 4 minutes.
Ma'am, could you please एक बारी show us how you spell shucho in hiragana?
Shucho in hiragana?
Yes, ma'am.
It's she, you, small u, like yu वाला u, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And उसके बाद ch like chi, then yo, yo वाला yo, and small u.
Okay, ma'am. I was just wondering why there's a T over there.
Yeah, it's chi ना बच्चा, chi वाला है ना? ठीक है समीर?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, guys, there's one word you are having in option number 7. So option number 3, sorry, question number 7 ka option 3. We are having one word zangyo. Zangyo is the word we use for overtime. Zangyo we use for overtime. Now go for it and let me know, please. Once you are done with, I request you to please start raising your hands. Okay, so out of 159 students, I can see 10 students, those who are willing to give answer out of 159. Kya baat hai? Okay, so let's start up with my question and I would like to call here Rajnandani for the first option, please.
Yes, ma'am.
After a long, Rajnandani, where were you?
I'm actually, I'm not well in the last class.
Last class now, that's why. See? Okay, go for it, bacha. You're
Okay,
fine now? Okay?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Give me that.
Pasuputu wo mote ikana kareba narimasen ka. Hai mote ikana kareba narimasen.
Beautiful answer, Rajanandani. Beautiful answer. Passport o motte ikana kereba narima sen ka. Do I have to carry the passport? Hi, ikana kereba narima sen. Thank you so much. Now let's go for Khushbu here. Yes, Khushbu, second one, please.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, ima ukaneo haraimasu. Ie ima ukaneo harai na kutemo desu.
Are you sure?
Yeah, ma'am.
Aren't you missing something here?
Yes, I am missing. Yeah. Ima ukane o harai na kereba narimasen ka.
No, okay. You got the thing what you are messing up with, but some correction you have to work upon. Haraimas ki nai form would be
harai har yeah harai vana hai
No. Haraimas. ध्यान से.
harai na
No. We are having I and A both one after one. What is the thing I have to take care of this?
va
Yes, confidently. Wonderful, Khushbu. Go for it now.
so
Ima ukane o.
harawa na kereba
Lovely. Yes. अब पूछना नहीं है, अब आपको मुझे बताना है, ठीक है? So give me the answer in that tone. Okay?
okay ma'am
Go for it. Yes.
Ima o kane o harawa na kereba narimasen ka? Iie. Ima o kane o harawa nakute mo ii desu.
Lovely. Thank you so much, Khushbu, for this lovely answer. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Now, next one is for Satya Prakash, please. Satya Prakash, can we have you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
The third one, the Konban Zangyo Shimas. And the answer to that is Hai Zangyo Shina Kereba Narimasin.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure you're giving me right answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Satya Prakash.
Yes, ma'am.
He is confident enough. Satya Prakash, if you allow me, can I call someone to answer the same question? Is it okay
Sure.
with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Satya Prakash. Now I would like to call here Aniket Tripathi for the same answer, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, for it, ma'am, it will be Konban Zangyo Shina Kereba Narimasen ka Hai Zangyo Shina Kereba Narimasen.
Correct, Satya Prakash.
Oh, yes, ma'am. I messed up the first part here.
Not messed up, but you missed the first one. Okay. So like you have to follow the proper rhythm of that. No, what we are asking, you have to find out if it's high, then you have to go for the compulsion form. If it's no, then you have to go for non-compulsion form. So you have to be a little attentive. The question has to be in compulsion form. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Thank you. Sujay, would you like to close the question, bacha?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the fourth part, Ashita mo kona kereba narimasen ka iye kona kute mo ii desu.
वाह वेरी गुड फॉर एवरीवन जिन्होंने मुझे आंसर किया फॉर देम थैंक यू सो मच सुजॉय लवली आंसर यू गेव मी नाउ लेट्स गो फॉर मोंदाई पार्ट मोंदाई में वी हैव टू मोंदाई का हमने कोई भी क्वेश्चन अभी नहीं किया आई बिलीव ओप्स सॉरी
मैम फर्स्ट टू कर लिया वी हैव टू डू 6 and 7 5 and 6
5 and 6 कर लिया है आई थिंक इट्स Elvin right
5 and 6 मैम यस मैम
ओके वी हैव टू डू 5 and 6 ठीक है 5 and 6 भी आपके सामने वैसे ही आ रहा है जैसे हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 अभी अटेम्प्ट किया है तो इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ केक वर्क क्वेश्चन फॉर यू वाज इट होमवर्क एल्विन
यस मैम
यस ठीक है सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल टू लोअर डाउन योर हैंड्स and then start raising your hands those who are having answer for this one. Shayan is the only one. Okay ठीक है okay so I'm having 6 students here 7 now ठीक है see Garima is the only one who's keeping this thing in her mind कि उसको microsecond के लिए अपने आप को unmute करना है ताकि मैं raised hand देख सकूं okay ठीक है so yes Garima I would like to start the question from you.
First one?
Yes, the first one.
Okay, ma'am. Nikuya sakana wa rezoko ni irena kereba narimasen.
What is iremas, Garima?
Iremas is to, ma'am, put something.
Yes, to put something inside. Okay, to put something in.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, okay, go for it. Wonderfully answered. यहाँ आगे आंसर कर दो. क्या बताया था आपने?
Ire na kereba narimasen.
Lovely. Thank you so much, Garima. Nikuya sakana wa rezoko ni ire na kereba narimas. Ire na kereba narimasen. Sorry. Now, second one is for Sam, please. Sam Daniel. Third one.
Third one or second one?
Sorry, second one. I'm so sorry.
Ashita wa byoin e kona kute
Bacha, your voice is very low. I can hardly, because there's some work going on in my South wala apartment. There is already so much of disturbance. You must be getting the voice that from my background too. But थोड़ा सा आपको loud होना पड़ेगा. Sam, please.
Ashita wa buin e konakote moides asate kite kudasai.
Okay, lovely. Ashta wa biovine kona kutemo ides. It's fine if you don't come tomorrow to the hospital. Asate kitte kudasai. Please come day after tomorrow. Thank you so much, Sam. Next one is for Ishita Sharma.
Yes, ma'am. Nihon no uchi de kutsu o nuga na kereba narimasen.
Lovely. What is nugimas?
Ma'am, to take off a piece of clothing.
To take off, to remove your footwears. Wonderful. Nuga na kereba narimasen. Shayan, fourth one, please.
Yes, ma'am. Hon o kaisa na kereba narimasen kara korekara toshokan e ikimasu.
Wonderful. Hon o kaisa na kereba narimasen kara, as I have to return the book, korekara toshokan e ikimasu. Now I'm going to the library. Thank you so much, Shayan. Okay. Next is for Madhu. Madhu, close the question, bacha.
Yes, ma'am. Repeto vakyo dashina kutemo ides raisho no getsu obi madeni dashite kudasai.
Beautiful answer. Reporto vakyo dasana kutemo idet. It's fine if you don't submit the report today. Raishu no getsuyobi. Next week, Monday. Madeni dashite kudasai. Please please submit it by next week, Monday. Thank you so much, everyone, for the answer. Let's go for this comprehension. Comprehension read kiya hai ya nahi? Be honest.
Ma'am, I had a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Antara.
Ma'am, in the fourth one, it is kaino kutemo ides.
Why? Kaisa na kutemo ides.
Kaisa.
Sorry, it's not na kutemo, it's na kereba narimasen. I have to return the book. Kaisa na kereba narimasen.
Okay. So, ma'am, I got confused. For kaisa no kutemo ides is a compulsion form, right, ma'am?
No, na kereba narimasen is compulsion form. Na kutemo ides is non-compulsion.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Sorry. Thank you.
No problem. Okay, guys, अब honestly बताइए कि are we gone through with this comprehension? Be honest.
No, ma'am.
No. Chalo, I appreciate the honesty at least. I'm giving you 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes, and please go through with this comprehension thoroughly, because these comprehensions are very important. In section B, आपने जो paper दिया है आपको पता चल चुका है comprehension कितने important है. Section B में भी है, section C में भी है. So please go through with it, and once you are done with, start raising your hand. I'm giving you 3 to 4 minutes for this. Guys, Ishita, Shivang, Antara, Ishani, Sam, are you guys having any doubt? If no, please slow down your hands. Yes, Shani.
Ma'am, bango, sukueno bango, ma'am, what does it mean? Bango.
वो I'll tell you. अभी go through with the comprehension. जो भी doubt आता है उसको note कर लो, ठीक है? जो भी vocabulary आपको problem कर रही है उसको note down कर लो, ईशानी, ठीक है बच्चा?
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you please move the screen a little bit upward so that we can see the question number 4 clearly?
What, Kanika? Question, questions true and false wala. Okay.
Yes.
Is it fine now? Are we done with this comprehension, guys? Can we begin with?
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, please excuse me for today's this disturbance, guys. I cannot help or I cannot do anything with it because it's in an all over apartment. I'm having this noise today. आपको भी disturbance आ रहा है क्या आपके background पे?
No, ma'am, it's not that.
Not that much, ma'am.
Not that much. ठीक है. Okay, bacha. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's begin with the comprehension. This is like one of the most important comprehension we have. Nihongo no shiken. Shiken is the word we use for exam. Nihongo is Japanese language. No is possession particle. Nihongo no shiken, Japanese examination or Japanese exam. ठीक है? Junigatsu. अभी बीच में कोई नहीं बोलेगा. It's my humble request. कोई भी डाउट आता है इसको नोट डाउन कर लीजिए. मैं comprehension complete करने के बाद I'll take your doubts. ठीक है? Junigatsu kokonoka. Kokonoka is the calendar date, 9th of the month. Junigatsu is December. Junigatsu kokonoka, in bracket it's written Getsuyobi. Getsuyobi we use for Monday. Gozen AM, Kuji kara Juniji made. So this is the time, the date when we are going to have our exam. It's on 9th of December, which is Monday, 9 AM till 12 PM. Okay, 9 till 12. Now, there are a few things that we have to keep in our mind for this exam, and the things are, first one, Hachiji Yonjupun Made ni Kyoshitsu ni Haite kudasai. Kyoshitsu is classroom. Made ni till. Hairimasu to enter. Okay, it's not haraimasu. There's world of difference between hairimasu and haraimasu. The spelling of hairimasu is Hairimasu. Hairimasu. Hairimasu, group 1 verb which we use for to enter. And haraimasu is Haraimasu. Haraimasu we use for to make the payment. Okay? So haite kudasai, please enter in the classroom by 8:40. 8:40 tak you have to be there in the examination hall in the classroom. Okay? Now, Skue no bango o mite. Skue is your desk. Bango. Bango is the word we use for number. ठीक है? ये हमारे से बहुत कुछ रिजेंबल करता है. जब आप एग्जाम देने जाते थे ऑफलाइन मोड पे, what we used to do? We used to take a look of our enrollment number. Then same enrollment number we used to find on our desk, right? Where we sit. So that is Skue no bango. ठीक है, मतलब जो भी आपका नंबर है, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट योर नंबर ऑन द टेबल. स्कुए नो बांगो ओ मिते, डेस्क के नंबर को देखकर, अनाता नो बांगो नो तोकोरो ni, wherever you are finding your number, that place ni suwatte kudasai. You have to sit on the table where you can find your number, where you are having your own enrollment number. The word is suvarimas. SUWARIMASU. Suvarimas is the word we use for to sit. Now one more word I would like to add over here. One is suvarimas. SUWARIMASU. Suvarimas is the word we use for to sit. And there's one more word, savarimas. SAWARIMASU. SAWARIMASU. सवारी मास. सुवारी एंड सवारी सिर्फ एक साउंड का डिफरेंस है. सवारी मास इज टू टच, छूना. ठीक है, तो उसको ध्यान रखना है, आपको गलती नहीं करनी है. सुवारी मास इज टू सिट, सवारी मास इज टू टच. तो स्क्वेनो बांगो ओ मिते, अनाता नो बांगो नो तोकोरो ni suwatte kudasai. You have to find out the desk where you can find your number and sit at the same place. Enpetsu to keshigomu. Enpetsu is the word we use for pencil. Keshigomu we use for eraser. Enpetsu to keshigomu dake, only, sirf. ठीक है, only pencil and eraser. Skue no ue ni oitte kudasai. Oitte kudasai, to keep, to put on the table. ठीक है, so the word is sorry, you have to put the you are allowed to put your eraser and pencil only on the table. इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं चाहिए टेबल पे. Mondai. Mondai is the word we use for questions. Mondai was zembude. Zembu in totality, पूरा मिलाकर. Kumai arimas, मतलब there would be 9 pages. ठीक है, 9 pages. My form, अगर if you remember, flat and thin objects के लिए हम use करते हैं my counter. So there are in totality 9 sheets. Ichiban no ue no kamini. Ichiban, number 1. Ue no kamini, on the first page, सबसे पहले पेज पर. Ichiban ue no kamini, anata no bango to namae o kaite kudasai. Anata, your number, enrollment number, or it could be any number. तो नमाए ओ काइते कुदासाई. मैं एनरोलमेंट नंबर इसलिए बोल रही हूँ ताकि आप अपने से इसको रिजेंबल कर सकें. हम लोग भी आपको यही बोलते हैं ना, गाइस प्लीज राइट योर एनरोलमेंट नंबर ऑन द क्वेश्चन पेपर. दैट इज अनाता नो बांगो. वो एनरोलमेंट नंबर आपसे रिलेटेड है, तो वही यहाँ बोला जा रहा है. कई जगह पे एनरोलमेंट नंबर होता है, कई जगह पे रोल नंबर होता है, कई जगह पे रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर होता है. सो डिपेंड्स वट एवर द नंबर इज. सो इचिबान उएनो कामिनी, कामी इज शीट. Anata no bango to namae o kaite kudasai. You have to write your number and your name on your first sheet. Now what fifth sentence says? Kotai. Kotai is the word we use for answer. Answer. Kotai wa enpetsu de kaite kudasai. Please write the answers with pencils. ठीक है, write the answer with your pencil. Boru pen wa tsukawa nai de kudasai. Please do not use. Tsukaimasu is to use. Tsukawa nai de kudasai. Please do not use the ball pen. ठीक है, please do not use the ball pen. So here we are done with this thing. Acha, guys, please lower down your hand so that I can find the people, those who are having doubt here. Those who are having doubt, please, I request you. Yes, Abhigyan.
Yes, ma'am.
You have any doubt, bacha?
Oh no, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay. Alvin, any doubt? Antara, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I wanted to ask, what is Zembu De
in total?
In total. And ma'am, can you tell the last 5th point again? I was not able to understand this totally.
You have to write the answer with pencil. Please do not use the ball pen.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, Sujoy.
Ma'am, can you again explain the third line, ma'am?
Third line is about enpetsu to keshigomo daketsukue no ue ni oite kudasai. The word oite जो लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे, the verb is okimas, to put. Okimas has two meaning, दोनों की kanji अलग है. One is to wake up, ठीक है, जो कि ग्रुप 2 में आता है, and this okimas comes in group 1 which we use for to put. आप देख रहे हैं ite लगा हुआ है, ite, ki ite, okimas. Ichirite nebimende ki ite, so te form is oite. Okimas is the verb. So please put your pencil and eraser only on the table. ठीक है सुजॉय?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hanji Shivang, how can I help you, beta?
Ma'am, what's mite? Ma'am, mite.
Mite, Shivang. Mimas के ते
Ah,
form
yes, ma'am.
mite. Mimas to
Okay.
see.
Got it. Yes, ma'am.
अपना नंबर देख कर, ठीक है? Okay, guys, any other doubt? All right, I'm giving you 3 minutes again, 3 to 4 minutes again, quickly to take to note down the translation in your notebook. And if you face any issue, any problem, any query, raise your hands once again. Antara and Shivang, I request you to please lower down your hands so that I can find out other people as well, those who are having doubts. 3 से 4 मिनट दे रही हूँ, फटाफट से ट्रांसलेशन नोट कीजिए, मुझे बताइए.
इसके बच्चों की फोटो डाउन करो, अपने बच्चों की छोड़ो ना.
Ma'am, I had a question.
Yes, Samir.
Ma'am, when they say Mondaiwa Zembu Kyumai Arimas, do they mean that there are 9 questions or 9 pages?
Basically, in totality, there should be 9. It seems like there are 9 questions on 9 pages. Mai
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
counter we use for, na? Mai is the counter we use for sheets.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, what's the counter for questions?
Questions का counter मेरे को ज़्यादा मुझे समझ में आता है so वाला counter we are supposed to use over here, but still I would like to confirm it first and I'll give you the answer for this.
Sure,
ठीक
ma'am.
है?
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Guys, if you are done with this, please let me know. Oh,
Ma'am, the screen is not visible.
Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bacha. Last 2 minutes, guys. Please complete it as soon as possible. Okay, class, so let's begin with our next chapter. And Abhibi, the content is not visible to us, right?
Ma'am, now it's visible.
Nahi, the content of semester 5.
No, ma'am, the contents are visible. Only this PDF was not visible.
Matlab, not getting your recordings and rest of the things are visible to you?
Yes, ma'am. There is a section called Amigo courses. So over there, everything is visible. To me, at least, I'm aware.
Okay, how many people are able to see that? Because after, if it's visible, I'm not supposed to teach the topic in the class. So how many people are there who can see their Amigo on Amazon?
Ma'am, it's visible for everyone.
For everyone, ठीक है. ठीक गाइस, अगर ये विजिबल है तो फिर पढ़ाने का कोई सेंस नहीं बनता. मैं आपको मतलब अब नेक्स्ट चैप्टर से नहीं कराऊंगी. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर से हम लोग मैं आपके डाउट्स लूंगी सिर्फ. ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट चैप्टर जो है आपको हल्का सा एक यस व्हाट इज दिस
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Khushbu.
is it visible on ALMS?
It's on Amazon, I guess. Yes, Ishani? Garima?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, on Amazon. Go to my
Ma'am,
course.
it's under my courses.
Yeah.
Khushbu, you have to go to your to my courses and उसमें आप you can find one option like Amigo. वहाँ पर आपको सारा content visible है.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. Guys, if you want, take a look of it quickly. As Ishani said, Garima said. I think अभी बहुत लोगों ने check नहीं किया है. फटाफट से check कर लीजिए.
Ma'am, before that, can I ask one question?
हाँ, बोलो.
Ma'am, actually, I've been seeing from the first semester that on the top the chapter is written as DAI 18K. Ma'am, what is DAI and K?
DAI and K we use with chapters only. ठीक है, इसका एक अलग कांजी होता है. वह दाई बताया गया है आपको कि ऑटोमोबाइल के साथ यूज किया जाता है, मशीनरीज के साथ यूज किया जाता है, लेकिन चैप्टर्स के लिए भी दाई यूज किया जाता है. So it's chapter number, जो भी नंबर है उसके साथ में का काउंटर लगता है, ताई डैश का.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Abhigyan.
How will the internals be conducted for this subject?
I think it's going to be on online mode itself.
Yes, ma'am, that I understand, but is the format same as the previous semesters?
I think it's on your Amigo itself.
Okay, all right.
Okay, you will get to know about it. The notification will come over.
Okay. So we'll get the syllabus.
The content, the syllabus, and everything is there only. Okay, what I'm going to ask for is your assignment, and we will let you know what are the assignments you have to submit to us, because the internals are going to be through Amigo itself.
Okay, understood.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, bacha. Who's this?
Ma'am, this is Shivang.
Yes, Shivang. Yeah, Shivang.
Ma'am, since the courses are now visible to us, so actually I was just seeing that at the end of each module there is this kind of an assessment, 3-hour assessment given. So do we is there a schedule for it, or we can take it as soon as we complete all the
Abhi, I'm not aware. I cannot give you
video
wrong
lectures
information,
which are
Shivang.
before that?
No, Abhi, I'm not aware of this assessment, that how you are going to take the assessment. Okay, so I cannot give you wrong information as well, Shivang. So just give me some time. Let me ask about it, and I'll convey the message to you.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
ये नो पेड़ लगे कम से कम इधर में 4 बार पेड़ लगे थे ऐसे.
Tarun, please mute yourself. Tarun. Okay, guys. Let me Shivang, is the content visible to you or not? You said it's not visible to you.
Ma'am, it's visible now.
It's visible now. ठीक है. ठीक guys. फटाफट से एक बार देख लेते हैं what is there in chapter number 18. Chapter number 18 में we are having Kotoga Dekimasu. Kotoga Dekimasu is the format we use for able to. Kotoga Dekimasu we use for able to. Okay, so when we're talking about are you able to write a letter in Japanese or in hiragana, so what am I supposed to do? The verb, because Dekimasu is itself a verb. So we are going to have two verbs in this sentence. Like for example, मैंने आपसे पूछा कि मैंने आपसे बोला कि मैं जापानीज में मैं सुशी खा सकती हूँ. So खाना is a verb, सकती हूँ is देकिमास. ठीक है, this is your verb 2. So अब मैं क्या करूंगी, जो मेरा मेन एक्शन जो है वो चेंज होगा डिक्शनरी फॉर्म में. जिस भी वर्ब के बारे में आप बात कर रहे हो, that I am able to write, able to read, able to walk, able to dance, whatever the verb you're talking about, that has to be. What's the problem, Tarun? What's the problem with you, Tarun? It's not Tarun. It's not Tarun. Who is this? Okay. So, जो भी आपका action होगा, that action has to be in dictionary form, and then you have to add kotoga dekimasu to it. ठीक है? Now, next one is miru koto des, verb in dictionary form koto des. This is the pattern we used when we talk about our hobbies. So whatever your hobby is, we always have some hobby of doing some action, that particular action, right? I like eating, I like watching movie, I like collecting watches, and I like driving. So whatever your hobby is, that has to be in dictionary form. अगर वो शिमास follow करता है, ठीक है, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने कहा कि मेरी हॉबी जो है वो ड्राइविंग करना है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल. सो उनटेन ओ शिमास इज हाउ वी राइट टू ड्राइव. So unten o suru koto desu. If it has, that action has shimasu with it, you have to change shimasu to dictionary form. Shimasu will come to suru koto desu. So dictionary form of verb plus koto desu is the form we use for talking about hobbies. नेक्स्ट इज माइनी. ये चीज समझ लीजिए क्योंकि आपको हो सकता है थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम आपको हो आप उसमें वीडियो में, क्योंकि उसमें वहां पे लाइव नहीं है. यहाँ पे समझ लीजिए, उसके बाद मैं क्लास ओवर कर दूंगी. माइनी लाइक द वे वी यूज से पहले, हिंदी में हम जैसे लगाते हैं से पहले, ठीक है. सो नेरू माइनी निकी ओ काकेमास. आपको इस बात का ध्यान रखना है. अगेन इन दिस पैटर्न वी आर गोइंग टू हैव टू वर्ब्स. Main action will come before maini. Main action will come before maini and the supporting action will come after that. Okay? For example, if I say that I wash my hand, let me wash my hand before having my meal. So what is my main action? Who will answer? What is my main action? Anyone can answer though. Just unmute yourself and tell me. What is my main action?
Taberu.
Washing hands.
Wonderful. Taberu. Taberu maini nikki o kakimasu. Oh, sorry. Taberu maini is not nikki o kakimasu. Taberu maini te o araimasu. Te o araimasu is to wash your hands. Okay? Okay. Let's say I'm not having a verb. I'm having a noun and a verb. Okay? So what in that condition? Like for example, my sentence is I'm having exam. That's why I study before my exam. I study before my exam. So,
ma'am, it would be shiken no maini benkyo shimasu.
Is it Sameer? If I'm not wrong?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, lovely answer. Lovely answer, Sameer. Shiken no maini. Shiken no maini. Nihongo o benkyo shimasu or benkyo shimasu. ठीक है? So this is how we are going to apply maini. किसी को डाउट है तो पूछ सकता है.
मैम साकी कहाँ यूज होता है फिर? साकी भी तो बिफोर ही होता है ना मैम शायद.
कौन बोल रहा है? ये साकी वाला बंदा कौन है भाई?
मैम संदीप.
संदीप जी, अभी साकी तो हमने पढ़ाया ही नहीं, अभी तो माइनी समझ लो पहले, वही बहुत है. Isn't it?
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
अब आप जब क्रॉल करना सीख रहे होंगे, मैं आपको ओलंपिक पे उतार दूं तो भागोगे कैसे बेटा?
मैम वो मेरे पास पड़ी हुई थी ना, मैं मिन्ना नो निहोंगो मैंने खरीद रखी, मैं उसमें पढ़ रहा था.
हाँ, मिन्ना नो निहोंगो में भी साकी काफी देर बाद चैप्टर में आया है, अभी तो नहीं आया है ना चैप्टर नंबर इसमें. कौन सा चैप्टर चल रहा है? 18 में तो नहीं है बच्चा.
अच्छा मैम, पता नहीं मैम.
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, हो जाता है, हो जाता है, हो जाता है. ठीक है, आगे से ध्यान रखना. ओके,
सॉरी मैम.
ओके गाइस, सो इट्स नो प्रॉब्लम संदीप. आगे से बस इतना ध्यान रखना कि जो लेवल है ना उसके हिसाब से ही आई टीच और आई एक्सप्लेन द थिंग्स. मैं लेवल से बियॉन्ड जाके नहीं पढ़ाती हूँ. जो लेवल वाला है चीज है उसको ही फॉलो करती हूँ. ठीक है गाइस, it's time to say sayonara. Now few things I would like to tell you that please go through with your content. चैप्टर नंबर 18 का सारा कंटेंट आप देख कर आएंगे. मैं अगली क्लास में आप लोगों को जब मिलूंगी तो मैं आपसे रेंशो बी के क्वेश्चंस फॉलो करूंगी. एक बार अगर आप देख सकते हैं तो रेंशो बी के, ये आपको जो रेबुन और बुन के है ये भी अवेलेबल है, इसकी भी रिकॉर्डिंग दी हुई है आप लोगों को. और आप लोगों का जो मैं डिस्कस करूंगी वो है रेंशो बी. और रेंशो बी के मैं सारे क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करूंगी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 जितने भी हैं वो सारे क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस होंगे क्लास में. एंड आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग रेंशो बी मैं आप लोगों का मोंदाई पार्ट लूंगी. और क्योंकि सारा टॉपिक आप लोगों को ऑलरेडी गिवन है, एक्सप्लेन्ड है, वेल एक्सप्लेन्ड है, रिटन वे में भी है, रीडिंग मटेरियल में भी है, और उसमें भी है, वीडियोज में भी है, वर्चुअल भी है. सो आपको अपने आप पढ़ना है. पढ़ के आइए. अगर कोई डाउट होगा तो मैं उस डाउट को लूंगी. ये मत बोलना मैम ये टॉपिक फिर से समझा दो, वो पॉसिबल नहीं है, वो नहीं होगा. ठीक है? सो विल सी यू ऑल नेक्स्ट सैटरडे. हैव अ वंडरफुल वीकेंड. डू टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ. सायोनारा.
Thank you.
Sayonara guys. Sayonara. Bye bye.
Thank you ma'am.
Bye. You're welcome, Peter.